Chmelaeon.com here, doing a review of the London Stitch men's wallet with multi-compartments made of genuine leather. We're going to have the Amazon link below to buy this. Also, just a quick note, Chmelaeon.com has tons of different wallets. Everything from leather made to fox leather to small and big, but today we're just going to be focusing on this general layout of the London Stitch. We like the wallet. It's very well made. It's got a nice black-brown interior, but London Stitch makes a ton of different wallets, so just this one doesn't do the company justice. It's very well presented in a very thick, like cardboard type box. We like it a lot. Presentation is beautiful. Nice inner wallet compartments. Comes with a couple of company logos, I'm sure, inside. Very nice. ID holder right here. A couple of little pouches. You get the idea. They're relatively cheap. I think they range anywhere from $10 to $30. But well worth it if your wallet's starting to go. Other than that, we're going to have another review for other bigger wallets coming up soon, so check those out. But Chmelaeon.com, out on that note. Be sure to check out the link below to buy this guy and Chmelaeon's full line of wallets on our website. Chmelaeon.com, out.